Welcome back guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use the pawn in chess. So let's get right into it. There are 8 pawns on each side. For white they're on the 2nd rank and for black they're on the 7th rank. Pawns move forward and forward only. They can't move backwards or sideways. However, on their first move they have the option to move 2 squares only. Here you can see that white played its A pawn 2 squares forward. Now it's black's turn. Black played its B pawn 1 square forward. White pushed his pawn forward to A5, not A6, as the pawn is not on its starting point. Now black can move its pawn forward or it can capture white's piece, as pawns can capture diagonally. Here you can see black captured white's pawn. When pawns reach the other side of the chessboard, they can promote into something powerful. Now it's black's turn. Black plays his H-pawn forward, promoting it into a queen, which is a very powerful piece. Here you can see white's D-pawn has moved 2 squares forward. And now black played its D-pawn 2 squares forward. Now white cannot push this pawn forward as this pawn is blocking this pawn. So these both are stuck. En passant is a very rare move in chess. It is when, let's say, white plays its A pawn forward here, missing this pot where black can capture. Black can still capture this pot because of a rule called en passant. Here, black goes here, capturing this pawn. Now you can just see this white pawn just captures this pawn.